Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. This is me Suri Prakash, and in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I have actually cloned. This WhatsApp was actually made using a virtual. Uh, Wait, let me show you my number. As you can see in my previous videos on how to make a virtual, how to make a WhatsApp account using virtual number, a lot of you were asking how to clone the application and how was I able to clone this application. So first of all, I cloned this application using the phone settings. I did not install any third-party applications. So I have actually tested this and it works for all the Samsung devices, Redmi devices, the Xiaomi devices, such as Poco, everything. Uh, this video is not for iPhone users. If you are using an iPhone user, you can just close this video and go watch some other video. But if you're an Android user but not one of the Samsung or Xiaomi users, you can still watch this video. As nowadays most of the uh, you know operating systems have this. Most of the companies provide this feature. So all we have to do is navigate to settings. As you can see, this is my Samsung settings. All we have to do is search for dual over here. If we search for dual, we would get an for Samsung users, you would have a feature known as dual messenger, and when you click on this, you will be able to you know clone your social media applications such as WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook, Telegram, and all the chatting applications. So if you are a Redmi user, all you have to do is that you have to search for the same dual, and you have a dual app which will enable you to clone all the applications, not only the messenger applications. So alternatively, in order to open that in Samsung device, what you have to do is that you must scroll down, and you would have a feature known as advanced features. You'd have to click on this, and here you would have the option known as dual messenger, and all you have to do is that go and turn on or off settings. You would be also able to choose a separate contact list in order to maintain your privacy in case you are using a virtual number for various kind of businesses. So guys, I actually posted few videos on how to make uh, WhatsApp accounts using virtual numbers and where to obtain the virtual numbers for completely free. If you guys have not yet checked that videos, just go please check out those videos. There are also many important videos which may help you with your tech related stuffs, guys. So if you have any tech related doubts, not only regarding related to virtual numbers, but if you have any suggestions you would like to say to me, or if you have any comments, just please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. I'd be glad to reply to you. Nowadays I'm trying to reply to all the comments if I identify there is something useful in the comments, and the comment is something new. So guys, please feel free to ask your doubts in the comment section, and if I do not reply to you, all you have to do is that in my latest video you just go and comment. So most probably I'll just reply to the 10 comments of the new video. So if you are one among the person, I'd be glad to help you. But if you have some suggestions, don't forget to mention me and reply to me. I'll be checking on all my mentions. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up button located below this video. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on subscribe button and the bell button near to subscribe button, so that you'll be updated on all the latest technology related stuffs and all the important stuff such as how to make virtual WhatsApp numbers, or how to solve any of the problems related to the software applications. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video. Until then, let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.